Hi, we're dedicating this video to the topic that we have mentioned before in the previous video when we have talked about the group by function, one of the commands of the SQL core queries. And we have told that you cannot group by the values without aggregating those values. And it's logical at the end of the day. So let me show you quickly the dataset. It's our dataset. It's publicly available dataset. I made it publicly available on the Kaggle, so you can download this dataset. You can create the schema and table on your MySQL workbench. If you don't know how to do that, just go to the previous videos and you will see all the guides of how to create all of this. And next, what we'd love to see here is a distinction between five different aggregate commands, aggregate functions. We have five different aggregate functions. That one we have seen before was the average. So let's do one by one. Starting from the count, we would love to know how many males and how many females are present in our employee dataset, in our table. To do so, what you need to do, of course, first you need to use the group by. So we already say that we would love to group by everything by the gender. Here's the gender. We need to select that group by gender, and also we would love to count the presence, the number of the employees in the table. What you're gonna do is we're gonna write count. What is our employee table here, employee column? It doesn't matter, we can use ID, we can use employee, we can use everything. It's gonna return the same value for everything. Let me just show you, we are using everything. The value is 8 males and 2 females. If we are using the employee, the value is gonna remain the same. For ID, it's going to remain the same as well, because we are counting the number of rows at the end of the day. The next one is the sum. We'd love to know what's the sum of the payments for gender. Again, let me show you the output. The output is this one. So we have the sum of the $636,000 of the pay for males and $164,000 of pay for females. It might seem a lot. It might seem that in this company the females are getting much more less salary rather than the males. In order to see whether it's true or not, we can do average. So if your manager is saying, I would love to see on average how much males and females are earning in our company, you're just doing the average, you're gonna have indeed, males are getting less salary rather than females in the company. So that's one of the analysis you might be asked as a data analyst, data scientist, or the SQL developer. Most probably as a data analyst, you are going to be asked this question, but it's not the topic of today. We might talk about this later. Then we would love to see what is the minimum salary by gender. So just write the mean. The minimum salary by gender. 20,000 minimum salary for the males, and for females 76,000. This person might work part-time or full-time. We don't know that information because it's not written in our dataset. So we are leaving that part because today's topic is aggregate functions. It's not about the exploring the dataset, now the culture, working culture in the company and so on. It's a topic for the next time again. And what's the maximum salary for the gender? Again, we are writing the max. This is the maximum pay. You can have many columns, one next to other. Doesn't create the problem until you have the value grouped by. You can group by as much as you want that value. You can add here average. These are all the descriptive statistic parts, so you don't have to worry about it. So you can group by for whatever you want, and you can add whatever you want. You can add also the count of everything, the number of the workers by gender. These five queries that I've showed you are the main queries that you are using to aggregate to make the analysis, to make the tables, to deep dive into your table, to have the general idea. Hope this video was interesting for you, and I really hope that you are getting the valuable skills and you're improving your knowledge in the SQL, and I really wish you soon to have the real sprint in your career. And if you really liked it, just like the video, subscribe for the video, share it with your friends. This way I'm gonna know that you are really interested in the videos and they are giving you a value. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.